Let's make a final few comments about replacement level as it's used in baseball. When Keith Woolner talks about replacement level, what he's talking about is the replacement for the starter. Essentially, think bench player. Others who look at replacement level define it as the zero cost option, the 26th man, that person who you can pick up essentially for no expenditure, or the minimal expenditure, the 26th man. So, two different ways to think about replacement. One, for any position, say center field, anybody who contributes except the top 30 center fielders, one from each team, by playing time. So those 30 top playing time center fielders are excluded from the replacement pool. That's the bench player replacement level model. The other model is the tango type model, which is you go for the 26th man, which is different than the bench player. You're looking at the replacement level much lower than that. So make sure if you're doing work on this or looking at different ways sabermetricians use replacement level, figure out how they're defining it. Two fundamentally different ways to look at it. Now, another crucial idea is the position here. Remember this graph I'm showing you here. This is for 270 players in 2013. To really do this right, no matter what you're doing, you want to do it by position. You want to start looking at positional comparisons to get WAR correctly. One of the fundamental principles of the statistic WAR is the position you start with. There are positional adjustments for designated hitters, pinch hitters, and then every other of the 8 positions that are on the field. So those positional adjustments have to do with the replacement level relative to each of those positions. So positional adjustments are key. They're key to replacement level, as are how you define replacement level, the definition of replacement level. So keep those in mind as you study this further. I highly recommend going through Keith Woolner's summary of replacement level in the BP Annual 2002. Very readable, well explained, a good way to start understanding more about this whole concept of replacement level.